Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato egg drop soup full guide. Beat 2 eggs in a bowl and set them aside. Chop 3 medium tomatoes and sauté in 1 tablespoon oil until softened. Add 4 cups chicken or vegetable broth and bring to a gentle simmer. Pour eggs in a thin stream while stirring to form delicate ribbons. Season with salt, pepper, and a splash of soy sauce, then serve warm. Start by gathering 3 medium tomatoes, 2 eggs, 4 cups broth, 1 tablespoon oil, and basic seasonings. Chop tomatoes into bite-sized pieces and beat the eggs until smooth. Keep green onions and sesame oil near the stove if you plan to add them. Measure your broth and have a spoon ready for stirring. Having ingredients prepped makes the cooking step fast, calm, and enjoyable. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and get more helpful recipes. Quick recommendation: I use Little Tree's black ice for a fresh car smell. It pairs surprisingly well with kitchen trips and errands. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to try it yourself. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Heat 1 tablespoon oil and sauté the chopped tomatoes until soft and fragrant, about 3 to 5 minutes. Add 4 cups of broth, bring to a gentle simmer, and taste for seasoning. Slowly pour the beaten eggs into the simmering broth while stirring in a single direction to create thin ribbons. Finish with a drizzle of sesame oil or a sprinkle of chopped green onions for extra aroma and color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.